Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download comps from Lands of America. As always, the collector tabs are in blue, and I am on the one marked LOA for Lands of America. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Lands of America, and I'm going to do a search. So in this case, I'm going to do Yavapai County, Arizona, and I'm going to say includes residents, no. And I'm going to go ahead and look at sold comps here. With Lands of America, it's important that you do sold or available. You can do available in other contract, but do one or the other. Don't do them all at the same time. If you do them one or the other, then when the information comes over, it'll indicate whether it's sold or available, and you could always add more later. All right, so I'm going to just select that. It gives us 415 comps. I'm going to sort that by the newest. I'm not going to do any further filtering here, but if you wanted to, you certainly could. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab the URL, come back to PriceBoss, put it in the box here under where it says enter URL below. I'm just going to paste it in and hit the compute button. Unlike previous versions, you don't have to wait for anything to turn green. It just happens. And it should take, the absolute max it'll take is about 2 minutes, but usually it's quite a bit faster than that. So it's usually 10 to 20 seconds, and you see, there it is right there, very fast. And it all looks good. You get 300 comps. That's how PriceBoss maxes out at. What sometimes happens, if there's no acreage, it'll just be blank. And you'll notice that if it is blank, it will turn red, and that's how you'll know. So you can easily find it. And then up at the top here, it'll say 299 records with price and size, not 300. So that's how you'll know it. And I just pushed it back, and that's all there is to it. Now, by the way, one interesting thing is that when we import all of this into the comp data tab, which will be in a subsequent step, it only brings over comps that have both a price and an acreage. So you don't have to worry about deleting anything out of here if you don't want to use it in your analysis. All you have to do is either set this to 0 or just delete it, and it won't go over into comp data, and you'll be good to go. Good luck.